Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underwear here, and basically what this is a brand new bag that's from JWP brand. And for this one in particular, they call it the Maze bag. That's basically like a crossbody bag. If you guys seen my previous video, I actually reviewed another bag from this brand before, which is basically the Gabby bag. But right here we do have another bag, so I'm actually opening up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take out the bag, this is basically what the box looks like. So in the front right here, we do have the brand name. But once you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. If you guys do take it out, right here they do provide a little bag that's used to store the product to keep it all organized. And it's like a drawstring design, if you can see. And the material that's on this bag right here definitely feels very soft and very smooth. But once you guys do take it out, right here is basically what the bag looks like. And you see the design of the product definitely looks very cool and very nice. And when you guys do feel it, it actually feels really soft and very smooth, but it also feels like a high quality material. The material that's on here is basically the same as the other one that I mentioned in terms of vegan leather. They don't use real leather, it's vegan leather, which is very eco-friendly. They didn't skim down on the material that they use on here. But right here is basically what the product looks like in the front. Here is the back, here is the side, and right here is the other side. Here's the top and the bottom. If you guys do open up, it's basically a magnetic design. So right here we do have the magnet. Here's another one. Here's 3 and 4. I'm assuming right here, and then this side right here is where I can put on the strap for the crossbody option. But when you guys look at the inside, it's actually pretty spacious. And there's this strap right here, so we have to take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the inside looks like. So pretty much inside right here, we do have a zipper compartment for you to put stuff inside if you guys do want to. It's not that big. It's a smaller compartment for you guys to maybe put like a credit card or something. But in terms of the interior design, it's actually very spacious for you to put a good amount of stuff inside, like your phone, your wallet, etc. If you guys turn on to the other side right here, there's another little pocket for you to put stuff here as well. But if this one doesn't have a zipper compartment, the other side right here it does. And if you guys notice right here, they do have the brand name. But definitely the inside is actually very spacious for you to put a lot of stuff if you guys do need to. But not a lot of big stuff, just small stuff. And then right here we do have the strap. So let's take it out and put it on to show you guys what she looks like. So once you guys do take out the strap, this is what she looks like. Now let's put it on. So basically you want to just slide this through. Once you guys do slide this through, you guys unbuckle it up. And you probably want to take out the wrap right here on top first, if it's your first time using it. The wrap that's on here is for you guys to protect the material that's on here so that way it won't get scratched. But if you guys do strap it on, and if you guys do put it on, here is basically what the bag looks like once you guys do put it on. You can see it actually looks pretty nice. And if you guys notice, for the one that we do have right here is a black color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. But the cool thing about this strap is the fact that once you guys do put it on, it is adjustable. So if you guys want to make it longer or shorter, you definitely have the option available. And you do have the option to move it to bring it all the way down right here if you guys do want to as well. But right here is basically the different holes I mentioned for you guys to adjust it to make it tighter or looser based on your own preference. But right here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do put it on. You can see it actually looks pretty nice. And obviously for this bag, it's designed for a woman. I got this as a gift for someone else, so it's not for me. But I totally see how well this bag will work for a woman if they do carry like smaller stuff like their phone, their wallet, etc. inside. And it actually looks pretty nice as well. I feel like this brand is still pretty new, but I could definitely see how much potential this bag can grow in terms of branding and what their mission is in terms of using eco-friendly material and that vegan leather. And it's such a simple bag that actually looks very nice, that's perfect for a gift. If you guys want to give it to your friend, your family member, maybe your girlfriend, your wife, or your significant other. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality bag that basically give you guys a slimmer design that's also very eco-friendly and uses vegan leather, but still give you guys that very high quality material and design. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.